Hi guys, I am Param and I'm going to explain my visual analytics term project by in this presentation. So I chose the topic British Airways. Why are we analyzing the British Airways? British Airways is one of the world's leading airlines and the United Kingdom's flag carrier established in 1974. British Airways has grown into a global airline known for its extensive route network, premium services, and long-standing reputation for quality and reliability. Its significance in the aviation industry, the, the project aims to analyze customer reviews and identify trends in satisfaction, strengths, and areas of improvement. Objectives. The main objective of this presentation is to understand the reviews made by the customers and to provide recommendations for the for to improving the customer satisfaction. Customer review trends. Key trends. The total reviews are 1,325. Traveler types. Common types such as couple leisure, business, solo leisure, cabin classes, economy classes, business classes, and first class are the most frequently reviewed. What dataset are we using for this analysis? The dataset used was obtained online. It contains two datasets. One is for customer services reviews and other is based on countries. There are 23 columns, 1,1325 rows in total. The fields in the workbook are seat comfort, route, place, date, and aircraft and country. The dataset is in a CSV format and was cleansed and processed for analysis. Analysis was conducted using tools such as Excel and Tableau. Technical approach. The how analysis method. I used Excel and Tableau for basic analysis like total reviews, review distribution, categorization. Groups are reviewed by traveler types, cabin classes, seat and comfort, and entertainment. Visualization. I created charts and graphs, more like maps and bar charts and line graphs to summarize my findings. My recommendations are improve in-flight meals, introduce more variety and better quality option, enhance customer service, training for staff to handle complaints better, improve entertainment on flights by improving and upgrading technology and expanding content library. They can enhance their entertainment on flights. Conclusion. British Airways reviews mix reviews across various categories: service quality, seat comfort, punctuality, and in flight entertainment. By focusing on customer reviews and by implementing the recommendation, British Airways not only can enhance the customer in flight experience but can also attract many other customers. So, I have attached my references in this, and this is it. Thank you.